Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 11 causes of stubborn belly fat, so you can make changes in order to reduce belly fat fast. First up is fructose and high fructose corn syrup. These added sugars are linked to increased visceral fat storage compared to other types of sugar. Cut back on sodas, processed snacks, juices and condiments with added fructose or high fructose corn syrup. Second is too many refined carbohydrates like sugar, soda, bread, pasta, rice, cookies, crackers and candy which spike blood sugar rapidly. Focus on high-fiber whole food carbs instead to steady insulin response. Third is poor gut health and imbalanced gut bacteria. An unhealthy microbiome promotes inflammation, disrupts hunger signals and impairs metabolism. Take a probiotic supplement to replenish good bugs. Fourth is gluten, which can damage and inflame the gut lining and cause leptin resistance which leads to abdominal weight gain. Fifth is artificial sweeteners, which evidence suggests may increase hunger and alter gut bacteria resulting in metabolic dysfunction. Stick to small amounts of natural sweeteners. Sixth is non-organic produce containing pesticide residues that can disrupt healthy gut bacteria. Eat organic whenever possible. Seventh is vegetable oils and dangerous trans fats found in fried and processed foods that drive inflammation and fat storage. Cook with cold-pressed olive oil, butter, coconut butter, lard, tallow, or suet instead. Eighth are nutritional deficiencies in key vitamins and minerals that are required for proper fat metabolism, like vitamin D, magnesium and chromium. Correct any deficiencies in order to help your body burn fat better. Ninth is excess alcohol, which provides empty liquid calories readily stored as belly fat. 10th is chronic stress, which elevates cortisol telling your body to accumulate more fat around the organs. Adopt regular stress relief practices. And 11th is poor sleep, which disrupts fat-regulating hormones. Get 7 to 9 quality hours each night. Making dietary improvements, exercising, managing stress and optimizing lifestyle factors can all help reduce stubborn belly fat over time. For more information on a complete step-by-step strategy to losing belly fat fast and naturally, and improving your health and immunity, visit improvedimmunesystem.com/immunity guide or click the link below.